Whenever you're out in nature, try to give it an offering. So I offered this tree an apple. Now here I am out in nature. My original intention is to do some sacred wound healing. Okay, I got sacral chakra incense. I brought 2 damn lighters. Neither one of them were light. The only thing that lit up for me was my incense to keep the insects away. I was gonna do some cord cutting out in nature. All that's been shot to Hades in a handbasket. So what I'm gonna do is some womb affirmations. You know, there's always a backup plan to every backup plan. I was sure looking forward to doing everything that I wanted to do, man. Man, that makes me so mad. Alright, well anyway, let me go ahead and anoint myself. The incense looks like it stopped burning. It did. Oh well. I'll stay out here as long as I can stand it. I forgot I got my bendies on. So I do the temples. I do my third eye, as you just seen. I do the top right here with my with lotus. So I just sit as comfortably as I can in nature. And we're gonna start with the root chakra. Then we're going to work our way up to the sacral. So you can receive, you do the pyramid. To release, you do this. I'm just telling you what my angels told me. How you do it is the way you feel comfortable. I'm going to do it the way I feel comfortable. Work our way up to the solar plexus, but we will do that on another video. I want to talk to you guys about something. I want to talk to you about why are black people still in 2024 color struck? Over the history of me having my channel, I've had so many mean comments towards me because of my complexion being very light-skinned. I even had someone call me Michael Jackson before, and I thought that shit was cute. Listen, I don't know how you were raised, but to make fun of someone's skin tone and laugh about it as an adult just shows how ignorant you really are. And I cannot believe today, to this day, because I just seen it and it triggered me all over again, my own personal experience with it. I seen someone making fun of someone's skin tone. That shit's not funny. You don't know what that person had to endure, what they've been through in their life, and then here you are, just a persona non grata, a fucking nobody, comes along and shatters their dreams, shatter who they are and who they self-identify as a person. You have no right. And you need to stop it at all costs. Stop projecting your own idiosyncrasies on other people because they have blue eyes and they have green eyes and they're, you know, considered a black American, or they're African with green eyes, or they're African with blue eyes. So, oh, we can't trust them, you know, they some treacherous people. Stop. Because we do all of this out of ignorance. A person's not determined by their personality, by their eye color. I was born with green eyes. My eyes are hazel now. I'm not a green eye monster. If anything, I'm doing everything I can in my possibility and in my control to save this planet, to save humanity. And as promised, let's go ahead. I'm going to get off my rant. Let's write out some affirmations. I love the color gold. All right? So I'm going to start with that first. Oh, shit. So I'm going to write out, I am unique and there is no one like me. The woman, womb, and man, a woman with a womb, is God. And I am God. Get off of me. You're not even supposed to be crawling on me. / goddess. I am God / goddess. I am enough. I'm gonna go back home and burn it because my lighters are not working out here. It's so windy. I am enough. I am a love magnet. I am a genius creator. I honor sex. That's why I'm not having it right now. And I honor my room. That's my last one. I honor my womb. I honor my womb. So, I am unique and there's no one like me. The woman is God, and I am God, goddess. I am enough. I am a love magnet. I am a genius creator. I honor sex. Sex is sacred. And I honor my womb. Thank you for joining me today. We're doing some womb healing. I'm going to do some oracles and draw some tarot. get some direction in my life. And I'll see you next time. Namaste. Did you know that you don't always have to pull out alcohol to pull out libation to the ancestors? So I'm pulling out libation to my ancestors before I do my oracle. You don't always have to use spirits or alcohol. You can use water. Just in case you didn't know. If only you can truly see what I'm saying right now, but you can't see what I'm saying right now. The sun. It's so beautiful.